After startup, you'll see the Start tab. Here you can use the Start Drawing button to begin a new drawing or start a drawing from a variety of templates. You can also open a drawing from the Recent Documents list. In the Notifications area, you'll receive product update information when it's available, and in Connect, you can sign in to your A360 account or send us feedback. The Drawing area is where you create and modify objects to represent your design. The navigation bar provides access to the steering wheel, pan, and zoom. Use the menu button in the lower right corner to customize the navigation bar. In the lower left corner of the drawing area is the UCS icon, which displays the positive directions of the X and Y axes. When you hover over a Drawing File tab, you'll see preview images of the model and layouts. Right-click on any Drawing File tab for additional options. Above the File tab is the ribbon. The ribbon organizes commands and tools into tabs and panels. For example, the Draw panel on the Home tab contains tools to create objects, such as lines, circles, and ellipses, while the Modify panel contains tools to modify objects, such as move, copy, and rotate. The Quick Access toolbar displays frequently used tools. You can easily customize this to include the tools you like to use. Click the Application button to create, open, or publish drawings, or to search for commands. In the lower left corner of the drawing area are the controls to switch between Model Space, where you'll do most of your drawing, and Paper Space, the layout tabs that allow you to control which area of the drawing to publish and at which scale. You can add more layouts by clicking on the plus sign. Use the command line to start a command and provide input for the current command. As you enter a command, autocomplete will suggest a list of matching commands. From the command line, you can access other content such as layers, blocks, hatch patterns, and more. After typing a command name or input, press Enter. Dynamic Input displays the command prompts next to the cursor. At the bottom of the application window is the Application Status bar. The status bar displays common drafting aids, annotation scaling tools, and workspace customization tools. Tool palettes contain tools to aid in the creation of your design. Tool palettes can also be customized with additional tools and content.